Hi there, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Dilly. It's time for the daily update with Mrs. Dilly and my assistant professor, Lionel. This is Jackson's lizard thing that he has. He's had him for a long time, and he lives at our house and he eats crickets. And he doesn't get out of his cage very much because our cat really wants to eat him very much badly. So say hi, Lionel. Hi, boys and girls. He's wishing you were a cricket right now. Anyway, so Lionel's gonna crawl on my hand a little bit while I tell you what's going on. So one thing that my family did today, Monday, that you could do today, Tuesday, is we went to look, he's got my finger. We went to the lunch truck that comes around. There's one that comes to our neighborhood. We went over there. They gave us enough food for the kids to have for lunch. And then they also have enough food in there for breakfast tomorrow. So that's a really good thing, I think. And so I would highly recommend that you check that out. There should be one close to your house. I'm going to link a picture in the email so you can check that out. Another thing is, let's talk a little bit about reading. So there's lots of different ways that you can be reading right now. I know Audible has some free books. We've got Epic Books. If you're in my reading class, you can check out the Epic Books thing, and you can listen online there. There's Hoopla, there's Libby, and then there's also the fact that you can take AR quizzes. So as you're reading these books and getting them done, you can be taking AR quizzes, which I think is really good and important. Okay, so your lesson plans for today are as follows. In math, you're going to be taking the Topic 14 performance assessment. I did not make this assessment. The 5th grade teachers are helping each other out by doing different things. The person who made it used Google Slides, which means that you're going to have to adjust the size of your viewing screen. So instead of having it on 100%, you might try it on 50% or 150% to make it big enough that you can actually read it. I'm sorry. So there you go. Reading, you are going to be working with that story, There Were Giants. I did go ahead and link the story in the Google Classroom again, but it's the same story as yesterday. It's just so that you have access to it. And then there's a assignment for the setting that you're going to be doing. Setting? Yeah, setting. Anyway, then yeah, Epic Books would be great. Make sure you're taking tests. Somebody just walked into my house. Mrs. Love's class, you're doing great with your reading stuff. Science and social studies are both the same as yesterday. They are due on Thursday. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.